Mini abdominoplasty is a smaller procedure that just involves removal of some skin and excess fat from the lower abdomen. The abdominoplasty procedure, liposuction, and the mini abdominoplasty procedure are all techniques designed to improve the contour and shape of the abdomen. Oftentimes, this occurs after large amounts of weight loss or after pregnancy-related changes. It's important when thinking about rejuvenation of the abdominal wall to consider the issues at hand. Number one is stretched skin. Number two is excess fat. And number three is the structure or stretching of the deep tissues of the body, as in after pregnancy. Abdominoplasty is designed to correct all three of these by removing excess skin, removing excess fat, and tightening up the abdominal wall. Liposuction, on the other hand, can provide improvement for patients who have areas of excess fat. However, it will not improve the stretching of the abdominal wall or excess skin that may occur there. Mini abdominoplasty is a smaller procedure that just involves removal of some skin and excess fat from the lower abdomen.